Critics and tech aficionados alike consider Samsung's Galaxy S line of smartphones to be the real iPhone competitor. The iPhone 14 Pro Max has been outperformed by the S23 Ultra this year as a smartphone. Today, Samsung has made an intriguing announcement that will undoubtedly irritate Apple. You can see that this year, Apple is going Ultra. They're renaming the Pro Max to be the iPhone 15 Ultra, and it's not just a name change. They're also adding some Ultra features like a periscope zoom camera, USB-C, and a titanium frame, which is normally more durable and lightweight than the stainless steel used by the prior iPhones. And it seems like Samsung is making a concerted effort to stay ahead of the curve this time. As you can see, Apple used stainless steel whereas Samsung has always used aluminum for its top phones. Furthermore, the superior stainless steel used in iPhones gives them a distinct advantage in terms of how they feel in your hands. Why didn't Samsung utilize the same material on their phones, you may wonder, since stainless steel is so much better? The weight is a factor. If Samsung had chosen stainless steel instead of aluminum, the Ultra phones would have weighed a lot more than iPhones because stainless steel is significantly heavier than aluminum and would have been more difficult to use for extended periods of time given that Samsung Ultra phones have more components, a larger battery, and a larger overall form factor. However, by using the same approach Apple is doing with the iPhone 15 Ultra, Samsung was able to make the Galaxy S24 Ultra seem more upscale. Now that I've mentioned the S24 Ultra in particular rather than the whole S24 family, you may be wondering why. This is as a result of the high cost of titanium. Given that it costs roughly 10 times as much as aluminum, I'm certain they'll stick with using it on the S24 Ultra to keep costs down, just like Apple. The S24 Ultra will be among the most durable products on the market since, as I've already explained, titanium is a material that is substantially stronger than aluminum. The S24 Ultra will have a ton of new features, according to Ice Universe's tweets, and it won't just be an incremental improvement as some users had anticipated. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.